devastating kick to the...
Sonya Deville with nowhere to go. Xia Li, a martial arts expert, on display here tonight. Oh, and a kick right to the back of the net. Xia dominating right now on Emma. Can Emma climb back into this?
Oh, and a sitting...
And Xia Li measuring her opponent. Oh, and a spinning heel kick, flooring Natalya. Cover by Xia to win